guys, I'm Manika and welcome to my channel. Today I created this look right here with bold eyes, nude lips, everything put together, looking perfect. I just love how this look turned out. Perfect for a date night or a party or just anywhere you wish to wear this. You would just look amazing. So if you like this look, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in watching more such videos. And without delaying any further, let's get started. Okay, so my face is moisturized and my brows are already done. I'll be starting by priming my face using the Color Bar primer. It's a silicone based primer and just blurs out our imperfections, open pores. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade. I'm blotting it over my face. Taking a damp beauty sponge to blend it all. Not to forget to blend the foundation into your hairline. Just dab it really well all over. Not putting something extra on my neck, I'm just dragging whatever is left on the blender. Okay, I quite like the finish of this on my face. Concealing my under eyes with the Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade Medium. I love this concealer. It gives full coverage and is so good. I don't think so that I'll be highlighting the higher points of my face with this because I'm going for a really nice even base. Also taking it over my eyelids to conceal and give my eyeshadows a base. That blended really well. I just love how easy it is to blend this and how flawless a coverage it gives, and for the price. Okay, so before my concealer starts to crease, I'll just be setting my under eyes today. And I'm using my all-time favorite Maybelline Compact. Taking this small fluffy brush and just setting my under eye area and my lid. Also, I'll be just setting my T-zone very lightly. My skin gets oily really easily, so I'm just setting my T-zone, not my entire face. Also, I'm not going for a harsh contour, but I'll just be using this blush from Lancome just to define my cheeks a bit. Again, taking a small angled brush, I'll be placing it just above the hollows of my cheeks. Really blending it well so that there are no harsh lines or edges. That's it, I'm not doing anything more. For the highlighter, I'll be really going for a very subtle highlight and using again my favorite, the Nykaa Duo in 24K Glam. I'm using this gold shade here, just this much. Very lightly I'll be just placing it on the higher points of my cheekbone. This highlighter is so pigmented that even the slightest of it gives you such a gorgeous glow. I'll be just going with a little bit on my nose and my cupid's bow. That is it. I'm not going overboard, or it could be that I'm going overboard. It gives your nose a bit of dimension. That's the only reason I'm using it on my nose. That is it. No more highlighting any more parts of my face. Okay, so now my base is done. I'm not doing anything more on my base. I'm using my Makeup Revolution setting spray. It's a matte setting spray to lock everything in. Giving my face a quick shower in it. Taking the same damp sponge, I'm just lightly dabbing it. No pressure, nothing. Just dabbing it on my face so that the setting spray locks in the makeup and all the extra powder that's there on the surface gets absorbed. Base is done. Now let's come to the main star of the night, that is our eyes. I love doing my eyes the most when it comes to makeup, and I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Neutrals versus the Nude palette to create this look. I just love how of a gorgeous palette this is. Like it has such beautiful nudes and pinks and shimmers. Just zoom you guys a bit more so you can see what I'm doing on my eyes. Also, I'll be priming my lips meanwhile we do our eyes. This palette comes with its own brush, so I thought I'll be using this brush only. today to create the look that I want, and let's just see how it goes. I'll be taking this color, the second color right here, as a transition and putting over my crease. Okay, now these shadows are really pigmented. I'm just taking the lightest of pressure. Now taking this shade right here and again putting it into my crease. I'm just using 2 and 4th motion as well as circular motion to blend in my shadows. Okay, next I'm using the Star shade. I was always very, attracted towards this shade, but I never tried it. I'm using this shade right here. It's a black with a hint of purple and pink glitter in it. I'm taking my finger and just seeing how does it apply. Okay, it's beautiful. I'm using the flat end of this brush to apply this color and see how it applies with the brush. It was the best to apply it with your fingers. Wow, I love it. Okay, it has fallout. We'll take care of that later. This is gonna be my new favorite shade. Yep, this is gonna be my new favorite shade. Okay, now taking the brush and taking the same shade on the brush, I am just blending it with the crease shade. Okay, I can see blending it is taking away the glitter and just leaving the black shade. So I will have to reapply that black color for the glitter to come up. First I'll blend it, then I'll reapply the black shade. I'm just using the lightest of pressure. You do not have to apply too much pressure to blend it. Like, you do not have to go this. Just slightly touching your skin with the brush. And with practice, you'll be able to blend your shadow the perfect way. You need patience for blending. Okay, I'm making it. I'm just taking this dark brown shade, putting it into my crease. Okay, so this has a lot of fallout. We'll see to it later. I am just putting my eyeshadow right now. Blend, 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 blend. Taking the black shade again on my finger and applying it all over my lid. I don't know if you guys can actually see the shade. What a beautiful shade this is. Taking the brown shade and using it on my lower lash line. Not taking it up to the inner corners, but just till here. Then taking the fluffy end, I'll be blending it. Now taking the black shade on the flat end and just putting it on the outer third part of my eye. Taking the blending. So I'm just taking a really fluffy brush and swiping it away. I'll be doing the same on the other eye and get back to you. Ta-da! So I'm done with the other eye as well. I added some kajal. Now using this shade right here, I'll just be adding a bit of it on the inner corners of my eyes. Just a bit. Just touching my brush. Also on my brow bone, just around the arc. I just love how my eyes are looking right now. I'll just zoom you guys in. You see? Also one thing, I just had this amount of fallout on this eye. I don't know if I was using way too much product on this one. That is why I got so much of fallout. But I had just a hair in there, some fallout on this eye, not much. Time to curl my lashes. I love curling my lashes, as you know by now. And I'm using my favorite Maybelline Lash Sensation. This is by far the best mascara I've used. All the Maybelline mascaras are great, but this one, of all of them, is the best. Love it to bits. Now the eyes are done. Perfect. I just love how they're looking. And coming to my lips, I'm using the Nykaa Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Bombae. It's a nude shade. and I wanted to keep my lips subtle because all the attention goes to my eyes. Okay, so this is the final look. I am just loving how it looks. The earrings are complementing my eyes so perfectly. My lip shade is looking bomb. My eyes, I just can't stop obsessing over how my eyes are looking. And I really feel like to go on a date or a party right now. I guess I'm gonna be obsessed with it. I'm not gonna take this makeup off. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Share it with your friends, your family. And I'll see you next week. Bye.